Meow. Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. So today, believe it or not, I'm trying another foundation. This is kind of getting ridiculous. My foundation collection is growing and I've had to throw away some old ones that were expired or about to be expired, just because there are so many foundations, and I just got another one in the mail by Pacifica, so I'm going to be trying that one out soon. But today I'm trying out one by Ulta Beauty. It is the Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drops. This puppy is 1.1 fluid ounces, comes in 26 shades and retails for $18. I have the shade Fair Neutral, which I believe is the fairest shade. This is said to have light as air fluid texture, buildable coverage, luminous finish, and blurring effect. There's coconut in here, which is supposed to help hydrate and replenish skin moisture, and marine botanicals, which helps promote a youthful appearance. So I'm going to start out with my depleting JCat Beauty Hydrating Face Primer. Just prime my face. I do have my brows on. I just wanted to save some time there. Okay, now I'm gonna shake this guy up. It says to start with 1 to 2 drops of foundation and customize level of coverage by adding more drops. It's already pretty messy just along the threads, so I will start with those 2 drops. Oh, those are small drops. This is a very watery texture. Let's see what we get here. Just gonna start on that side. Take my damp beauty blender, blend it out. That's definitely light coverage. There's not much of a difference. So let's build it up. I guess the whole point of this is to probably look natural and not so cakey and fake. Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna put just a little bit more where I have my hyperpigmentation, my bad hyperpigmentation. I have hyperpigmentation everywhere. So, can't really get good coverage there, but I guess this is supposed to be a light foundation. So let me just go in and do the rest. Those 2 drops or however many I used on just the one side of my face was used completely, so I need some more. So I'm sorry if you all are bored with the foundation videos. I definitely love to, you know, do it overkill with some certain type of video, but I feel like it's very important to get a good base, to look like you have nice, even skin. And then from there, everything else is just gravy. Your highlighter will sit nicely, your eyeshadow will sit nicely. So it's kind of important to have a good place to start. And I'm just trying to find good foundations. Okay, on to the second coat. I don't think I'm gonna do a second on my forehead. My forehead's not too bad. That's definitely ghostly. I'm gonna need some bronzer or something, some blush. The coverage isn't too bad. I'm starting to look dry already, and I even moisturized again right before I started this video, just to really give everything a good chance, because my skin is just, it's awful this time of year. It's ridiculous. So let's see what happens when I put on some concealer, how that lays. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 100. Okay, setting it. Because it already looks dry, I am not going to set it with even that minuscule amount of setting powder. I don't want to mess this up anymore. I'm just gonna push in and wipe off that excess. And, yeah, I can't believe this. This looks pretty dang drying already. Maybe as time goes on and I get a little more oil in my skin, it might look a little bit more hydrating. So I will give this a wear test. We'll check in a little bit and let you guys know how it is going. Fingers crossed. All right, here I am in my bathroom once again to do a check-in, and it hasn't even been 2 hours, so you can guess that's not good. And let's see what we have. It is pretty dry and splotchy. I mean, look at my nose, look at my mouth. That's bad. So I'm pretty shocked because I know this was supposed to be a moisturizing foundation, serum, glow drops, whatever. But for $18, for less than that, for half that amount, you can go get a NYX foundation, a L'Oreal foundation, a Wet n Wild foundation, and they are amazing. I even love them for my skin type. I have no issues with them. So I'm gonna say this foundation is a hard pass for me. I just don't think it's worth the money. It's not worth the hype. I was excited about it, but oh well, it just didn't work out for me. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.